welcome to my channel. Crafty Queen Bee here, ready to show you how easy it is to make this pretty Valentine candle holder. All right friends, let's get started. The things that you will need are, it can be this decorated vase from the Dollar Tree or a clear vase, a margarita glass, E6000, a little bit of baby's breath, that's optional, a pair of scissors, pot cleaners, and some accents for the center of your bow, some ribbon of your choice, and some of these LED lights, some spray paint, and this is a 99-cent spray paint from Walmart. And you need a glue gun that's plugged in. Are you ready, friends? Let's get started. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this project can be. All right, due to the weather, because it snowed yesterday and it was so cold, I went ahead and spray painted my margarita glass ahead of time because I knew I was going to share this craft with you. So I've already got my margarita glass all sprayed in white. And friends, this is just my choice. You can leave it clear or you can spray paint it red or any color you wish. I just happened to choose the white. Thought it looked really pretty. First thing I did is I took the E6000 and I put it around the rim of the margarita glass. Then carefully center your vase on the base part of it. Okay, and E6000 takes a little bit longer to dry than whether I had just used the glue gun, but the glue gun does not stick permanently, so I recommend E6000. All right, the next thing I did was I chose 2 ribbons of my choice. Set that aside. And I just made a bow out of this leftover Christmas ribbon that I had. This was a bargain. And I just kind of guesstimated what size I needed it to be. Actually, and I think on this bow, I just folded it over 1, 2, 3, 6, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll go one more time. Okay, and I'm just going to cut it straight right here, and I'll dovetail the ends when I get finished. Okay, just go ahead and put your pipe cleaner in the center. Give it a good twist. Then I just made this cute little bow in this for the center. And the way I did that is I just kind of free-handedly looped it. Let's see, is this? Yes. Kind of like that, and just scrunch it in the middle. Just a little pinch. Gives you a little bow. Just gonna add it to the middle of the other bow. Well, friends, when you're filming, things just don't always go the way you want them to go. I missed a loop there. Okay. Now we can dovetail our ends. Real easy to do. Just in a V shape. Oh, wrong direction. All right, then you just puff out your loops. And each time I make a bow, I use a different method, so just play around with it until you find what suits you. This is too long, so I'm going to trim it. All right, here we go. Even though I use a different method every time, friends, I always end up with something that I'm happy with. So, like I said, play with it. All right. Next thing I did, let me make sure I move some of this out of the way. This would make such a nice accent for your entry table, your kitchen, your fireplace mantle, or a nice gift for a friend or a teacher. Oh my gosh, anyone would love a gift like this. All right. I just took some glue, hot glue, and I glued it to the center. And you're gonna have to put a little pressure and hold it for just a little bit. Okay, friends, the next step with the baby's breath is just optional. If you choose to use it, that's fine. If not, you can use whatever you have in your craft stash. I just thought it would make a nice little accent to the bow. I have to hold it a little bit while the glue sets. Boink. Oh my goodness, look how cute it is looking already. So fast and easy to do. And friends, this little package of heart ornaments I got after Valentine's Day last year at Hobby Lobby, and I think I got them for 90% off. So be sure and check out the after Valentine sales this year. I think this was $5.99, but I know it was 90% off when I got them. Let me just cut this little string off. Boink, there was another one. Oh, this is so cute. A little generous amount of hot glue. Hold it for just a second or two. Now these would look real cute with a real candle inside, or one of your little fake candles, LED lights. Friends, I had picked up some LED lights to put in this one so that I could show you, but guess what? They didn't work when I put the batteries in, and I got these at Dollar Tree. These worked perfect, these didn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to steal these out of here. I know it was just $1, but I get so disappointed when things don't work. So you should get something for your $1. I'm going to take these back, and my friend's going to say, "Hey friend, what are you crafting?" And I'm going to say, "I'm bringing your hearts back. Your LED lights did not work." But normally they do. But I was telling my son that from now on I'm going to buy or take 2 batteries in my purse and try them out before I leave the store. Wonk, 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 wonk. Isn't that horrible? I'm so sorry. I just want to get my $1's worth. Okay, friends, there you have it. How cool is that? Is that not pretty? I would just love to receive a gift like that. So there you go. Friends, be sure and join me next time. I appreciate all of y'all for watching, and I enjoy your reading your comments. And thanks for joining me today. Have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye.